Hi everyone, I hope you're enjoying your day. I have this box right here, which is Klever mystery box for the month of June. Love their boxes, always nicely packaged, wrapped up nice. I think they started adding some additional security there, which is nice, like that. This is is it $29 a month? $29 a month. 8 full-size beauty products, unique box each month. They say no samples ever, worth over $100, and they say no item will be repeated twice. Once again, I want to show you the whole thing, but it's so hard to pick this up. I'll give you a little peek here. I really can't lift it. Looks like a good amount of stuff, so let's just start. And I wish they would start with a card, but they don't. From O2O Fine Mist Makeup Setting Spray. I'm not going to open this because I might share it. I have more than my share of this, and I am going to share the one that I got from Lorella. Hopefully that does okay. Okay. Oh, I like this brush, but you don't know who it's from. It's no indicator. So let me open it. But I like this better than some of the other brushes they've sent. If I could get it out of the packaging. It's right here. I'm trying to take it out of the package. It's double-ended, and I generally don't care for double-ended, but I love my e.l.f. brush. And this looks like it would be a good alternative when that one is dirty, because I do use that a lot. I can't get this out. Eventually I'll get it. There it goes. Got to get my finger on the... Okay. Yeah, this is not going to be easy. I don't want to pull it by the hair. Oh, come on. One more. Really? Oh, there we go. Whew, it was hard to get out of there. It was in there pretty tight. So it's a double-ended. You can use this foundation. You can use this to put powders on, but this is a good end for concealer. You could use it for shadows. I got to wash because there's little hairs coming up. But my e.l.f., I don't know where my e.l.f. brush is. It's somewhere. I love my e.l.f. brush, and I would never think, I have no idea what my e.l.f. And it's the same design, so I'm happy for this. Let's see what you are. From Poudier, lip care. Don't know what you are. Baby pink, it says on it. Let's... I don't want to trash boxes, but sometimes you can't get them open. Okay. Let's see what you are. Maybe a lip balm. We'll see. Baby pink lip care. Is it going to be a balm? Is it going to be a... Okay, I'm confused. That looks pretty clear to me. Just a lip care. I don't know why it says baby pink on it. Maybe the packaging. It's just a clear, maybe like an oil or something. I'd have to... Yeah, it feels like an oil, which is fine. I don't mind that. Here we have... from the same brand, no markings. What are you? Oops. Okay. This is a lipstick. I'm not even going to swatch that because I know I will not wear that. Don't do red. Okay, another thing in here, we have a silicone, what does that say? I don't want to take this out. Silicone beauty ruler. Right here. Multifunctional eyeliner and eyebrow sketch. Lip line helper. So how does that? Oh, so I guess you would use this end here. I'm not going to touch it because I'll share this. For like your Cupid's bow, I guess if you want it for lining, for lower waterline, for outer corner, you could use this for your outer corner, and it's nice. It is silicone. That's a nice little beauty tool. I'll share that. I won't use that. What are you? From Durol, we have liquid eyeshadow. Let's open you up. So I guess the extra product that they said they were sending me, I still don't have, but I have my June box. And also when they said, well, we'll ship it, I said, okay. and then I got charged a customs fee. So I was like, well, how did I get charged a customs fee for your broken product? I just have not been happy at all. And then it's still not here, and they didn't even put it, like, I figured they would stick it in this box, but they didn't. But I still don't have the extra product for, you know, I don't know. I just don't understand what companies do. So this is a liquid eyeshadow right here. Probably won't, well, this is a nice shade though. I have so many of this. This is really pretty on. I have so many though, I think I might share that. And then here from Hand On, we have a lip kit, liquid matte lipstick and lip liner pencil. Let's open you up. Okay, I think I need both ends to push this out. Maybe I can get it out this way. Okay, let's. I knew it was going to hit the floor. Knew that it was going to hit the floor. Oh gosh. Oh, bending over. So this is the lip liner right here. I will keep this. It's a pencil. No, I don't want it anywhere near the oil. Feels nice. Here's the pencil, the liner. Feels nice going on. Sometimes they're very drying. Let's get you back in there so I don't lose you. And let's see if I can get you out. I think I have to open the other end. Push that out. Yep. Okay, and then here's the liquid lipstick. Pretty shade. I like when the liner matches. Please don't be too, like, orangey. No, it's not. Be better for, like, maybe fall or winter, personally. So there's the combo right there. But not unhappy with that at all. And it looks like we have a face palette also. So that's 8 products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products is what they promised. So, like I said, I didn't get the extra product that they've been promising. And, you know, should I hold my breath? I'm not going to. So here we have a face palette from Miss Rose, however you say that. I'm trying to think, what did we have from her? Oh, the palette, the dupe palette. I can never get into these boxes. Okay, open up, come on. There we go. Let's see what you're all about. Ooh, look at that. I like. Ooh, I like. No mirror, which is fine. Wow. How pretty that is. Is that a dupe? It kind of looks like a Tarte. 2 blushes and 3 eyeshadow. So, you know, it says highlight and bronze down the center are eyeshadows. And then these 2 are blushes. That's really pretty. Don't want to stick my finger in it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. Pretty. I like them blushes. The shadows are nice. I'm going to have to think about that. This is really nice. 3, 2, 1, and 1. 3 shadows, 2 blush, 1 highlight, and 1 bronzer. That's really pretty. I like that. Not bad. Not bad. I like the lipstick. Definitely a matte. So you'll need a gloss on top of that. It said matte. So I'll share this for sure, and the setting spray, and this lipstick I will not wear. What was this? The lip care. Maybe the liquid eyeshadow. I'm not sure. So share a few, keep a few. I'm excited for this because this feels nice. Like, feels kind of dense. That if you needed to use that for foundation, you could get your foundation in. But if you wanted to put like bronzer contour, or do your blush, you could. And then I like this end, believe it or not. It's great for concealer. If you really, if that's what you had, when hairs pop out, I'll have to either trim it or, but definitely clean them because, you know, you don't, there's sizing in the hairs. So I think half and half for me, this one's adorable. I really do like that. And the palette that we got from the same brand was really, really nice. So I'm expecting this to be also. Let me know your thoughts. Do you get this one? We'll continue this for a little while longer and see, you you know, nothing's ever permanent unless it's Ipsy or BoxyCharm or any of, you know, those styles. But we'll see where this one goes. This one's not bad. I think pretty good. Would like to know what they're doing though with, you know, how to email them, prove that I was charged a customs fee when they're the only box that I get coming through customs, because everything else does not, which they refunded me, but it's not the point. How did customs know to charge my credit card? And they say they don't share that information. Well, how did customs charge me? Kind of scary when you really think about it. So, plus I still don't have the product that they said they sent weeks ago. But yet I get this. So am I still getting a product that's going to take 6 months to come from China? Because that's where this box, I think, is from. I just don't know. I don't get it. I really don't. I don't pretend to want to know, and anymore I just like, whatever. I don't have time or the energy to put towards that kind of stuff anymore. That's their problem, not, you know, I just can't. So, with that being said, enjoy your day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye for now.